Hello everyone, welcome back to Ife's Kitchen. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make avocado and carrot oil. Please stay tuned. I'll be using the knife to cut the avocado. I'll be using a spoon to scoop out the avocado flesh. After removing all of them, I'm going to mash it. If you like, you can blend it too. I'll be using the smaller part of the grater to grate the carrot. I'll be adding the grated carrots into the pan, and I'm going to pour in some olive oil. You are free to use any curry oil. Then I'll be adding the mashed avocado, and I'll mix it together. I'll be mixing it to mix properly. On a low heat, I'll allow it to cook. I noticed that the oil wasn't enough, so I will be adding a little oil. I'll be allowing it to cook for some minutes. You can stir if you like. While cooking, I'll be stirring it occasionally. I noticed that it has cooked enough when the carrot has softened, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Allow it to cool. The avocado and carrot oil is ready. I will be using a strainer to sieve the oil. You can store the oil into a container or a jar.